Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create three-dimensional websites in Spline. If you want to build interactive web experiences with animations, three-dimensional objects, and modern visual effects, this guide will walk you through the basics step by step in 2026. First, sign into Spline and create a new project. This will open the editor where you'll design the visual elements of your website. Next, add shapes, text, images, or imported models to your scene. These elements will become the foundation of your website design. Now adjust colors, materials, lighting, and layouts. This helps create a unique style and gives your website a more professional appearance. Next, add hover effects, clicks, or animations. Interactive elements make visitors engage more with your website and create a smoother user experience. Before publishing, preview your project to test animations and interactions. Make sure everything works correctly on different screen sizes. Finally, publish your project and copy the embed code or share link. You can add your Spline website to portfolios, landing pages, or personal websites, and that's basically it. You now know how to create three-dimensional websites in Spline. With a little practice, you can build interactive experiences that look modern and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Hey everyone, in this video,